everyone, it's Hazem here from the Skills Bay and welcome to our basic Excel formula series. In this video we will talk about the F formula, where we can apply a logical test and based on that test we can decide the value that we would like the formula to return. The F function is heavily used in intermediate and advanced Excel. The formula allows nesting other functions within the logical test section. However, we will leave that to another video. We will continue with the previous example where we talked about the COUNTIF and COUNTIFs functions. We have the following task. Apply a condition to determine whether sales need to be improved. Sales are considered good if they are equal or surpass 70% of the total quantity. So let's start. So we have the evaluation column. Stop at the first cell and type equal if. Now we're gonna write the logical test, and in this example we will be going to calculate the 70% of the quantity sold. We can simply do that by multiplying the quantity by 0.75. So if the total quantity sold greater or equal to 70%, then this is a good thing. So we want the value to return good, and remember to write it between two quotation marks. Of course you can write whatever value you like. If not, then maybe here we write improve sales. And there you go. In this specific record, the sales are good. So if we go and fill down the formula, we see that some of the sales need to be improved. Now if we want to have the improved sales stand out, we can use the conditional formatting. Now we're not going to go into details about the conditional formatting, but we're going to use one of its features. Let's select the whole column and go to conditional formattings, which can be accessed from the home page. Then highlight sales rules and go to text that contains. If simply we can write improve, Excel will know which cells we are talking about. And here you can choose whatever formatting you like. And there you go. This is the formula combined with the conditional formatting so that you can use both of them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be of help for you, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks so much.